Hi everyone. So today we'll be discussing the problem for A from latest Codeforces Global Round 16, and the problem name is median maximization. So let's first read the problem statement. So the problem says that you have been given two integers n and s, and you have to find the maximum possible maximum value of the median. You have to maximize the median such that the array consists of n elements and all these elements are non-negative in nature, and the sum of all these elements in the array is equal to s. So the definition of the median here is given to be that the median will be the suppose that the size of the array is m, then ceil of m by 2 will be the median element of your array, right? And you have been given a sum, so that array will sum up to come up, if you will take the sum of all the elements, then the sum will come out to be s, right? So you have to make an array such that it has n elements and the sum is s, and you have to maximize the elements. So you will be given n and s, and you have to maximize the your median. So for that, let's say that let's see the first test case. So what has been given is n is equal to 1, and then you have been given sum as 5. So right, so you in this case you have only one element 5, so this element will be your median, right? And let us suppose let us see the second test case. So second test case is 2 and 5, right? Second test case is 2 and 5. So you have been given n is equal to 2 and s is equal to 5. So in this case what will happen is you will have these two elements, and what will be your median element? So for the median element it will be ceil of n by 2, right? So for this element, since you have been given s is equal to 5, so your median position for this element will be n by 2, and you will be taking the ceil of that, right? So your position will come out to be 1 only, right? So you have this position, and this will be your median. So what is the value that you can give it? Can you give it 3 and can you give it 2? No, this will not be possible because this is a sorted array in a non-decreasing or ascending order, right? So what will happen is you cannot give this. So can you give 1 and 4? Yeah, you can give 1 and 4, but what will be happening is in this case your median will not get maximized. So let's see that you give 2 and 3, right? So yeah, you can see that this position gets 2. Can you give 3 to this side? No, this was not possible, so you cannot give. So for this, so you can see that you can give 2, right? And what will be happening is, let's suppose if you have a larger array for this, then in the larger array, what you will be doing is, let's suppose this is the median of your array, this index. So what you will do is, for the left of towards the left of the median position, towards the left of the median index, all the elements towards the left of the median, what you will do is you will give them a value 0, so that you can maximize your median. And apart from this, what you will be doing is, to maximize this median, what you will be doing is you have, let's suppose that you have ceil of n by 2, right? Or you have let's suppose that for that, as you know that the ceil will come out to be n by 2 plus 1 in either cases, if n is even or odd, regardless of this fact. So what you will do is you will divide your sum by this number, and you will distribute all the values one by one in the indexes equally, and whatever is left, so whatever modulus value or whatever the remainder will be left, so for that remainder you can place it in that index only, like s mod n by 2 plus 1. So you can easily place that value in this element. So in this way, this will be the way in which you will be maximizing your median, because all the elements towards the left, you have made all those values as 0, and you will distribute equal sum to each of the elements from the median to the end of the array, and in the end whatever sum is left, like whatever remainder is left after you take the mod, so you will add that value in the last element, right? So let me show you the code part. So it is very simple. What you will do is you will take n and s as an input, then you will take a count, that is the number of elements from the median towards the end of the array. So that will come out to be n by 2 plus 1, because you had to take the seal. And in that case, what you will do is, since you have to print only the median value, so it will be s by count. And in the end, what you will do is, if there is modulus still left, like if there is a value, if there is a remainder, that is s mod count, so what you will do is, you will add that value to your last element. So in this way you will get a array of non-negative integers, such that non-negative numbers, such that your since you have non-negative numbers, so you can use 0. So all the elements towards the left of the median will be 0, and all the elements from the median to the end position, you will distribute a sum of s by count, that is s divided by n plus n by 2 plus 1. You will distribute them equally, and whatever remainder is left, you will transfer that, or you will add that up into your final sum. So we have provided you with the code. In case if you have any doubt for this question, you can mention that in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.